The 47th Precinct, along with community leaders, held their National Night Out event on Laconia Avenue. Every year, the event allows for families to come out and meet with leaders, offering resources to their neighborhood, along with providing fun for the kids. New president of the 47th Community Council, Pamela Hamilton Johnson, speaks about the importance of the festival.
And as you can see, today's a great day. We have a band, we have more people performing, we have our Peace March today, and it's a wonderful day today. It's a new beginning, and it's starting right here today at our Night Out.
Johnson opened the event with the Peace March, which included clergy and community leaders.
We have the 47th Precinct Clergy Coalition, and they're going to have a Peace March because we need someone to stand in the gap and pray for our community, pray for our officers every day who put their lives on the line for us. And we believe in prayer and to keep this community together and safe.
This is my first time to this event, and it's a great event because you get to meet different organizations and you meet different people. There's different churches there. There's so much socialization, which is good, and you can get to meet the officers who plan this event. And it's good to know officers in your community because when something goes wrong, you know you can call on someone specific that you have met.
The neighborhood is getting better, and the police do their job, and it's just a job, and I thank them every day for their work, and I'm glad they're here.
Well, it was all smiles for all who attended this event, and the hope is that the relationship will continue to be built between our precincts and their neighbors to bring more peace to our streets. For BronxNet, I'm Veronica Guiti.